and we're going to talk about the plan for SSW.Newcastle. We have made some good progress, and in here, you'll walk in here and you'll see we have a nice reception. Up behind reception will either be a big SSW like Sydney or a TV, and then you're going to walk forward, and when you walk forward, Sophie will be here, and Sophie will recognise you and tell you what's going on for your day. There'll be a cable that goes behind here, and then you can come forward, and there'll be a whole lot of desks over there, which we'll come to in a sec. But I want you to focus on the stage where there'll be 2 speakers, and this stage will be larger than this. There'll be 2 speakers here, and we will either do the same type of thing we have in Sydney, or we'll build something custom, maybe four squares, and that will fit 2 speakers, and I guess be about this wide. Now, if we do it custom, it will be a higher height because the one in Sydney is annoyingly short. Now, we can either put a projector behind us there, or we can put the TV up here. So one of those 2 options. Now, because cars come by at night time, it's quite light, we are going to put blinds that go down here. Over here, there'll be frosting, probably about hip height. There'll be frosting along here with a red stripe. This frosting will end here, but the red stripe will continue all the way along. And on the other side over there, there'll be a red stripe as well. So let's just move on over here. There will be a room within a room, like for taking a private phone call or something, or just working with a client if you're a noisy bugger. So that room will be over here, and it's about 2.2 metres. So it'll fit within there. You know that light we have in the Sydney boardroom? This is that. It's incredibly light actually, and that will sit around there. And then finally, there'll be some planter boxes all the way along. You'll see those little boxes, they're everywhere for plants. These will be the egg chairs, kitchen over there, and lots of developer desks over here. So that's the full kit and caboodle. What do you think?